Hey everyone, it's Melissa. Today we talk about microfiber. These towels are cleaning superstars. They make your home sparkle. But there is a secret. You need to wash them right. This keeps their magic strong. Let's learn how to do it. Microfiber towels are not just cloth. They are like tiny cleaning robots. They grab dust and grime easily. They soak up spills super fast. This makes cleaning much quicker. You will save so much time, and your home will look amazing. So, let's protect these helpers. Many people ask me this, Melissa, my towels don't work anymore. Often the problem is washing. Wrong washing can ruin them. It makes them less grabby. It stops them from cleaning well. But don't worry, I am here. I will show you the best way. Think of your microfiber towel. It is your cleaning best friend. You want to treat it well. Proper care means it lasts longer. It will keep cleaning beautifully. Your surfaces will thank you. Get ready for magical cleaning. Let's dive into the details now. So, what makes microfiber amazing? It is all about the fibers. They are super tiny, much thinner than a human hair. Imagine millions of little hands. These hands grab onto dirt, they hold it tight, no escape. This is why they clean so well. These tiny fibers create more surface. More surface means more cleaning power. They can get into tiny cracks, places other cloths cannot reach. This means a deeper, better clean. They also attract dust like magnets. No more dust flying around, just clean, shiny, happy surfaces. Microfiber is also very thirsty. It can absorb lots of water, way more than cotton towels can. This is great for spills. It is also great for drying. Your dishes will dry faster. Your windows will be streak-free. Less water means fewer streaks, so these towels are powerful. They are absorbent and effective. They make cleaning less of a chore. They actually make it satisfying. You see results right away. That is the magic of microfiber. It is science, but it feels magical. Now you know why they are special. Okay, let's talk mistakes. Many people make these, oops. The biggest mistake is fabric softener. Please never use fabric softener. It clogs up those tiny fibers. Think of it like sticky goo. It coats the fibers completely. They cannot grab dirt anymore. Another common mistake is heat. Washing in very hot water is bad. Drying on high heat is also bad. Heat can melt the tiny fibers. Remember, they are often plastic-based. Melted fibers cannot work well. They become stiff and less soft. This ruins their cleaning power. Washing microfiber with other fabrics, especially with cotton items like towels. Cotton sheds lots of lint. This lint gets trapped in microfiber. It is very hard to remove. The lint stops microfiber from working. It makes the towels less effective. Always wash microfiber separately, using harsh detergents or bleach. These strong chemicals can break down fibers. They can damage the delicate structure. This makes them less durable. They will not last as long. Gentle detergents are much better. We want to clean, not destroy. Avoiding these mistakes is key. Section 4. The Sparkle Clean Washing Microfiber Step by Step. Ready to wash them the right way? It is easy, I promise you. First, shake your towels well. Do this outside if possible. This removes loose dirt and crumbs. Less gunk goes into your machine. A good shake is a great start. Your washing machine will thank you. Next, sort your microfiber towels. Wash them only with other microfiber. No cotton towels, no jeans. This prevents lint contamination. Keep very dirty towels separate. You might need to pre-rinse them. Just a quick rinse under cool water. This helps remove heavy soiling. Now choose your detergent wisely. Use a small amount of mild liquid detergent. Avoid powders, they can leave residue. No fabric softener, remember that? No bleach either, it's too harsh. Set your washing machine correctly. Use cool or warm water, not hot. A gentle cycle is best for them. Time to dry your clean towels. Air drying is the very best option. Hang them up or lay them flat. They dry surprisingly quickly too. If you must use a dryer, be careful. Use the lowest heat setting, or use a no heat tumble dry. Never use dryer sheets with them. Section 5. Extra shine. Bonus tips for happy towels. Want some extra tips? Of course. For super dirty, greasy towels, you can pre-soak them first. Use cool water and a bit of detergent. Let them soak for about an hour. This helps loosen tough grime. Then wash them as usual. They will come out much cleaner. What if your towels feel stiff? Or maybe they are not absorbing well? This can happen over time. Sometimes detergent residue builds up. You can try a special deep clean. Wash them with just plain water. No detergent at all this time. Or add a little white vinegar. How often should you wash them? It depends on what you clean. For light dusting, maybe after a few uses. For cleaning spills or bathrooms, wash after each use. You do not want to spread germs. Clean towels mean a clean home. It is always better to be safe. Keep a good rotation of towels. Storing your microfiber towels matters. Keep them in a clean, dry place. Away from linty items, please. Fold them or roll them neatly. This helps them stay fresh and ready for their next cleaning job. Happy towels mean a happy you. These small tips make a big difference. Section 6. See the difference, happy versus sad microfiber. Let's picture two microfiber towels. One is happy, one is sad. The happy towel was washed right. It feels soft and very fluffy. Its fibers are open and ready. It glides smoothly over surfaces. It picks up every speck of dust. Water vanishes when it touches it. This happy towel cleans like new. It leaves no streaks, just shine. It makes cleaning feel effortless. It looks bright and vibrant too. Its colors are still very clear. It does not have any trapped lint. It smells fresh and perfectly clean. This is the towel you want. Now imagine the sad towel. This towel was washed wrong, maybe with fabric softener, oh dear, or dried on way too high heat. It feels stiff and a bit scratchy. It might have matted patches. The fibers are clogged and flat. They cannot grab dirt effectively. This sad towel smears dirt around. It leaves lint on your surfaces. It does not absorb water well. It might even leave streaks. Cleaning with it is frustrating. It looks dull and often dingy. It might have bits of lint stuck. This towel has lost its magic. Section 7. Keep that magic going strong. So there you have it, friends. The complete guide to microfiber care. It is not hard at all, is it? Just a few simple steps. These steps protect your investment. They keep your towels working hard. For a cleaner, sparkling home, you can do this, I know it. Remember the key things, okay? Wash microfiber with microfiber only. Use gentle detergent, no softener. Cool or warm water is best. Air dry or use very low heat. These simple rules are golden. They will keep the magic alive. Your cleaning will be easier. Your microfiber towels are amazing tools. They deserve a little bit of love. Treat them well and they will reward you with shiny surfaces and less work. It is a win-win situation. No more sad, ineffective towels, only happy, super cleaning ones. Enjoy your magical cleaning journey. Now I would love to hear from you. Do you have any microfiber tips? Have you tried these washing methods? Let me know in the comments. Sharing helps us all learn more. Happy cleaning, everyone. May your microfiber always be magical and your home always be sparkling.